Hello everyone, you're welcome to Feel Cool Maths, and today we have 2 root y equals y. Okay, so this is what we want to solve, and it's very simple. Let's start. First thing first, we have 2 square root of y, then square root of y, and we are going to square this. We are squaring this to remove the square roots. So what you do on one side, you would have to do on the other side. Now, 2 squared is 4, right? Or by the way, I should have written the same 2 squared, but let's continue. So now, this and this can now go. So we have to multiply this by y, right? Then we have root y. Remember, it is the outer square root sign that has gone, right? So this is y squared on the other side. Now we want to continue. 4 times y, that is 4y. Then we have root y, and is equal to y squared. If you enjoy this, subscribe to my channel so that you can always have access to my videos, right? Thank you, because you're going to see more and more of this. Okay, so now the next thing is for us to remove this other square root sign. So whatever that we have here, we are going to square it again, and then the right hand side, y squared, will be squared. Now take note of this, because this can be a bit confusing, right? So we are going to have 4y squared, right? 4y squared is the same thing as 16y squared. Then this and this can now go, so we have to multiply y, and this is equal to y to the power of 4, 2 times 2. This is because the powers would always multiply each other. Now from here, okay, in case you don't understand, this is what I did. 4 squared is 16, y squared is coming down here, then square root of y squared will give just y. So this is equal to y squared times y squared, and that's y to the power of 4. Now what again should I do? Multiply these two, right? So if I multiply this, we're going to have 16 y cube to be equal to y to the power of 4. Okay, so the question now is, what do we do again? We're having y on both sides, right? So let's write this one first. Okay, so we're going to divide both sides by y cube. Divide this by y cube. I remember that we are doing this so that this can take this out. So we have 16 here now, and it's equal to, here we have y to the power of 4 and y to the power of 3. We can pick one of the bases, and then we subtract the power, so we have 4 minus 3. So this means that our 16 is equal to y to the power of 1, and y to the power of 1 is the same as y, so we are concluding that y is equal to 16. But like we always do, we try to verify our work. So we're going to verify this particular equation. The equation is 2 square root of y square root of y equals y, right? So let me put 2 here. Then we have square root of 16 square root of what? 16. Let's see what this is going to give us. If it gives us 16, then we are correct, because y is on the other side. So this means that we're going to have 2, then we have square root of 16 times square root of 4 here. Square root of 16 here is 4, so we have 16 times 4. And then we have 2, the square root of 16 times 4 is what? 64. So we write 64. Then square root of 64 is what? The square root of 64 going to finish it here. The square root of 64 is 8, so we have 2 times 8, and that is what? 16. Remember, we have y on the other side, and that y stands for what? 16 as well. So we are very correct to say that our y is equal to 16. Please, I want you to subscribe to this channel because it is a new one, right? So subscribe so you can support me.